Always so difficult to win there. Both games available on the ESPN app. First of two times we'll see Lauren Marinez, and she's got one of the most interesting mounts that we'll see in the country.
Yes, and she had a slight hiccup that time. Gets right back into it. You can see she's a little flustered.
Lauren Farley with a 9.85 before her.
Handspring layout into her connection. Great job.
5 career beam titles in Lauren Marinez's 4-year career.
She is a beautiful beam worker.
Beth Plocky telling us that she doesn't think she gets enough credit from the judges for how good she is on there.
And I have to agree with her. I think that Lauren does a great job. She has very difficult skills. She has great artistry on the beam. She has to prove herself every time she gets on that beam. She proves that she can be there. Oh, she's just little things are going on in her head. She's got to get that confidence back. All she has left here is the dismount. Round off double full. Great job.
Here's that mount that we were talking about.
Woo.
You want to try that?
Nope. No, I do not. Here's that series. Handspring, layout, step out, into a split jump.